Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are sharing the building process of my grandparents' dream house. On this 300 square meters lot, we are planning to build a 3-bedroom bungalow house. So, let's dive right in. First, we must secure the water line. During the layout, we made sure that there was at least 2 meters clearance on every side of the house, so we had enough space for plumbing and drainage. Wall height. We make it 4 meters tall instead of the standard 3 meters. The reason is, high ceiling makes the room look bigger. Roofing. We made at least 1 meter eave or overhang. It is the part of the roof that extends beyond the exterior walls of the building. It provides protection from rainwater by directing it away from the walls and foundations. If you will notice, this is not a typical column in the veranda. These are tubular columns filled with concrete inside. Since these are not the main columns of the house, these labor-saving columns are well fit. Maybe some of you will ask, why do we have holes in our gutter? The reason is because of the tree leaves. Once they fall in the gutter, they will not be stuck there to prevent immediate deterioration of the roof. I know, this is not the standard, but we think this will work for us. For more project ideas, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!